In the beginning, there was an idea, an algorithm, a simple pattern of calculations that could mimic the processes of a human mind. It was a rough sketch, a blueprint, a dream of scientists and mathematicians, artificial intelligence, or AI. Today, we're living in that dream, with AI permeating every facet of our life, altering not just how we work, but how we live, think, and dream. It's like waking up into a world that's half fantasy, half reality. We wake up with AI, with systems that catalog our routines and habits, making sure our cup of coffee is ready as we roll out of bed. AI helps us navigate through unpredictable traffic, suggests the best restaurant in town, and even deciphers our indecipherable handwriting. It's enhancing, improving, and in some cases supplanting human ability, proving itself to be more than just a personal assistant. It's a companion, a mediator, even a teacher. A dynamic element subtly reshaping our interaction with the world. So on this journey, let's dive deeper.